Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be creating a makeup look, quick and easy soft glam makeup look for Valentine's Day. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. I really appreciate all your support, guys. If you guys wanted to learn, or if you wanted to join me how I've created this soft glam makeup look in an easy and quick steps for Valentine's Day, please keep on watching. The products I use in today's video will be listed down the description box below, guys. I've already prepped my skin. I'll be using the Covergirl Skin Smoothing Primer, correcting my dark circles. Using the Maybelline Camo color correcting in Apricot. The foundation, I'll be using the KVD True Portrait Liquid to Powder Foundation, and this is in the shade medium. And the sponge I'll be using is the Nikkia Joy Cosmetics. So with the concealer, I'll be using the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is in the shade C6.5. I'm gonna set my under eyes using the Kat Von D Lock It setting powder in translucent. So to bronze my face, I'm using the Morphe Glambronze face and body bronzer in the shade Icon. To define more of my cheeks, I'll be using the Hoola Benefit bronzer. So with my brows, I'm using the Covergirl UltraFine brow pencil in the shade Soft Brown. Okay, to set my brows, I'm using the Beauty More Brows in a light medium shade. My eyes, using the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer. Using the same bronzer on my eyelid as well as my transition shade. Okay, like to extend it on my nose. And that same brush, I'll be using the Hoola bronzer just to dip in my crease. Using the Jacklyn Hill palette volume 2, using the shade here just to apply on my lid. Using a flat brush, this is the Morphe M224. Just tapping it, applying it on my inner corner. It was left on the brush on my brow bone. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, I'm just gonna be applying my lashes now. I'm using the Beauty to balance out my lower lashes. Okay, I'm just gonna be applying in the NYX eyeliner in the shade Black on my lower lashes, just halfway. Okay, I'm taking that bronzer again and just blending that in to highlight the higher points of my cheekbones and also on my inner corner. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty lashes. I'll be applying a mascara using the Loreal Telescopic Extra Black mascara. Just using the Rimmel Lasting Finish in the shade Nude. Be using the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Ruffle Rim. Topping, also adding on that shade, is the Bedtime Flirt. Setting my makeup using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray, and this is in Watermelon. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope I vitally did help you out today in creating this simple and easy soft glam makeup look for Valentine's Day. Comment down below, guys, what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.